In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a post on Substack. Maybe you published something by mistake, or you've updated your content and don't want an older version to stay live. Whatever the reason, deleting a post on Substack is straightforward once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, go ahead and log into your Substack account using your usual login details. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your main workspace. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. In that menu, look for the option labeled Dashboard and click on it. This is your central hub where you can access everything related to your publication. After you're in the dashboard, stay on that same left-hand panel. You'll see a section called Content. Under that section, click on Posts. When you do this, the page will reload, and you'll now see a list of all the posts you've created for your Substack publication. This includes drafts, scheduled posts, and published posts, depending on your filters. Take a moment to scroll through this list and find the specific post you want to delete. Make sure you've identified the correct one by checking the title and, if needed, the date. Once you've found it, look to the right side of that post's row. You should see a small More Options icon, often represented by 3 dots. Click on that More Options icon. A drop-down menu will appear with several actions you can take for that post. From the drop-down, select the option that says Delete. As soon as you choose that, Substack will open a confirmation pop-up. This is designed to make sure you don't remove something by accident. The pop-up will let you know that you're about to permanently delete the post. This means that once you confirm, you won't be able to recover it. Take a second to double check that this is really the post you want to remove. If you're sure, go ahead and click Delete on the pop-up. After you confirm, the post will be removed from your list and will no longer appear on your publication page for readers. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a post on Substack.